Essential tips to ace your road test easily. 1. Setting the stage for success. Stepping behind the wheel for your driving road test is akin to taking center stage in your own life's play, where you're not just performing but proving your competence and responsibility. It's not merely a test of your ability to maneuver a car but an opportunity to showcase your readiness for the independence and adventures that a driver's license symbolizes. This initial act sets the tone for success, encapsulating moments of learning, practice, and perseverance. Embarking on this journey requires more than familiarity with road signs or mastering parallel parking. It demands an understanding of the rhythm of the road, foreseeing potential hazards and balancing caution with confidence. Viewing the road test as a rite of passage rather than a hurdle changes one's perspective, transforming anxiety into excitement. Herein lies our opportunity to reframe challenges as stepping stones towards achieving mastery behind the wheel, setting ourselves up for a successful debut in the vast world of driving. 2. Know your vehicle inside out. Understanding your vehicle is akin to knowing the capabilities and limitations of a close friend. Before even attempting your road test, take time to familiarize yourself with every knob, button, and pedal. The synchronization between driver and vehicle should be seamless, like a conductor leading an orchestra without missing a beat. This in-depth knowledge not only impresses your examiner but also significantly boosts your confidence. Imagine smoothly adjusting mirrors or switching between high and low beams without fumbling, showcasing not just technical knowledge but also indicating that safety is your paramount concern. Recognizing how the car responds to your touch during different maneuvers can make the difference between an average and an exceptional performance on your road test. It's these subtle nuances that set you apart as a proficient driver ready for the roads ahead, ultimately turning the daunting task of acing your driving test into an achievable reality. 3. Master the art of observation and awareness. Mastering the art of observation and awareness transcends beyond merely keeping your eyes glued to the road. It's about engaging all your senses and intuition in a harmonious dance that ensures not just your safety, but also that of others sharing the road. Picture yourself as a maestro, where every glance in the mirror, slight turn of the wheel, or gentle application of brakes is part of a larger symphony that keeps traffic flowing smoothly. It requires developing a sixth sense for predicting other drivers' actions before they even make them, understanding that every motorist is an individual thread woven into the broader tapestry of traffic. This heightened sense is not an innate gift but a skill honed through practice and patience. Start by expanding your focus from tunnel vision on the car ahead to include peripheral observations, cyclists weaving through traffic, pedestrians preparing to cross at intersections, or even leaves rustling on trees indicating changing weather conditions ahead. These details blend into an anticipatory driving style where potential hazards are assessed long before they become imminent threats. Such a proactive approach doesn't just ease passing your driving test, it crafts you into a custodian of road safety for life. 4. Practice makes perfect. Essential maneuvers. Enter into the world of driving with a little secret. Perfection isn't born, it's practiced. Mastering essential maneuvers isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about making peace with them as a part of the learning curve. Think of each parking lot session or quiet street practice not just as repetition, but as sculpting your driving finesse. Whether it's parallel parking that has you biting your nails or mastering smooth transitions through stop signs, remember it's not about how many times you get it right. It's about reducing the times you get it wrong. Now let's put a fresh spin on this age-old advice. Envision practicing these maneuvers as choreographing a dance rather than drilling military maneuvers. Each movement, from signaling to executing a pristine three-point turn, becomes an art form when infused with your personality and precision. This perspective shifts the practice from mundane repetition to an expression of connectivity between driver, vehicle, and road. As you lace confidence into every practiced move, you're not just preparing to pass a test. You're gearing up to paint your own masterpiece on the wide canvas of open roads ahead. 5. Road rules and signs. Refresh your knowledge. Navigating the streets isn't just about steering and signaling. It's like speaking a complex visual language, comprised of road rules and signs. Each sign, from the universal red stop to the yellow curves ahead, is a sentence dictating how we dance in our metal-cased shoes. It's easy over time to let these signs fade into the backdrop of our daily drives, a dangerous oversight for both seasoned drivers and novices alike. Refreshing your knowledge on these can quite literally change the way you read the road ahead. Moreover, diving back into road rules isn't merely academic. It's a practical recalibration of habits that could save lives. Consider it an intellectual pit stop. Every rule or sign revisited sharpens your decision-making on the fly and polishes your anticipation skills, crucial elements for acing your driving road test easily. This rejuvenation of knowledge doesn't just serve personal safety but elevates public safety by fostering more alert, well-informed drivers who are adept at interpreting even the most enigmatic roundabout instructions or pedestrian crossings with ease. 6. Tips for managing test day nerves. Navigating the terrain of test day nerves requires a blend of mental fortitude and practical tactics. Among the lesser discussed strategies is engaging in controlled breathing exercises minutes before the test commences. This simple yet profoundly effective technique can significantly lower your heart rate, inviting a sense of calmness that sharpens focus. Imagine your anxiety dissipating with each breath, creating space for confidence to grow. Embrace visualization as your secret weapon. In the quiet moments leading up to your test, close your eyes and vividly picture yourself successfully maneuvering through every challenge on the road. This method does more than just prepare you mentally. It primes your brain to navigate complex situations with ease because it's already experienced success through mental rehearsal. As unconventional as it might sound, combining these strategies transforms nerves into an ally, channeling that energy towards heightened alertness and precision on test day. It's about flipping the script from fearing potential mistakes to embracing each moment with focused determination and calm readiness. 7. Gearing up for a smooth ride. As we navigate the final stretch of our journey to mastering the driving road test, it's paramount to keep our eyes on the prize. Not just passing the test, but embarking on a lifetime of safe and enjoyable driving. Transitioning from a learner to a licensed driver is a significant milestone that demands preparation, practice, and a positive mindset. It's about fine-tuning not just your technical skills but also cultivating a calm and confident demeanor behind the wheel. The road ahead is not solely about remembering rules or perfecting maneuvers. It's an invitation to embrace the freedom and responsibility that comes with being in control of a vehicle. Gearing up for your driving test is akin to preparing for any of life's great adventures. It calls for diligence, adaptability, and an eagerness to learn from every turn. So as you gear up both mentally and physically for this significant step towards independence, visualize yourself gliding smoothly through every challenge, paving your way toward not only passing your exam with flying colors but also towards years of safe and enriching driving experiences ahead. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm. After all, smooth roads never make skillful drivers.